One of the most difficult things I come across as a content creator is being able to find copyrighted free materials. Well, it's really difficult finding copyrighted free materials, but trust me, at the end of this video, you won't find yourself worried about getting copyrighted free materials again. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you websites where you can get copyrighted free images, video clips, and then even music, which is the most difficult thing for us to actually get is soundtrack for our music videos. And I'm going to show you where you can get copyrighted free soundtracks for your music videos as well. So if this is your first time on this channel, hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money through content creation and then probably grow our YouTube channels, Facebook handles, and then even websites together. So if you want to learn more about how you can make money as a content creator, then this is the right channel for you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, as I take you straight onto my laptop and I share with you some key websites, some like 100% genuinely websites where you can get 100% copyrighted free materials. Say you heard me right. These materials are materials that won't even require you to give attributes to the owner again. You can get those images, video clips, even soundtracks for 100% free without giving any credit back to their sources. So with that already said, without taking much of your time, let's get straight on my computer. Let me show you this website so that you can start getting your copyrighted free materials, including your music, soundtracks, and everything. So with that already said, let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys, as I already said in the intro, I'll be reviewing 6 websites where you can actually get copyrighted free materials. So to make this video easy to understand and for you to get everything clearly, I'll be breaking this video into 2 main sections. Sorry for that. The first section will all about getting your images and videos, whilst the other section will contain everything about music, and you can see the timestamp, so you can literally use the timestamp to skip in between the part you want to watch and what exactly. So hello guys, the first website on our list when you come for copyrighted materials is simply Videvo. So the benefit of using Videvo is that Videvo is a web platform whereby they allow you to download their music. Like you get free videos, normal footages, you get motion graphics, you get music, you get sound effects, and all of this you get them for 100% free. However, when you are downloading them using the free version, this is what the platform actually does. The platform gives you a copyright claim to place in your video description, and I believe you've already seen this before. Like if you go onto YouTube, or a lot of YouTubers are there that are using free stock videos and then using soundtrack in their video. If you take a look at the description carefully, you are going to see where they place a credit to the platform where they got their soundtrack from. Well, they get them from platforms like this. So on this platform called Videvo, you simply come over here, search for what you want, and then you simply pick it. You can come over here, you have the video session where you can come for your videos. You have the templates where you can come for After Effects, DaVinci Resolve templates, and a lot more. You have the audio session for music, and then all the rest. So the easiest place to actually search for anything is this tab here. So for this platform particularly, they don't give static images. Most of the things are videos and then motions and the sound effect. That's simply all you get over here. So for example, you need a video about push-up. All you simply do is simply search for push-up and then hit enter. And you are going to get so many videos that has to do with push-up, and you can download them for free and then use them for your videos. So the second website to get images and videos is simply called Pezos. So Pezos is one of my favorite websites. As a graphic designer, Pezos has been one of my favorite websites where I come for stock images and then come for stock videos, for marketing ad and the rest. Like even during some of my YouTube videos, you do see me flash in other videos that are just used to create transitions across the video. I get most of them from Pezos, or the last website I'm going to show to you that has to do with images and videos. So with Pezos, when you come over here you don't require license to use anything. Like most of their items, you can use them without even licensing. And the benefit is that you can even download their materials even without signing up. Like for example, let me say, let me look for an image here that really looks cool for me. So for example, this image here, for example, I want to use this image for something. I can simply hit here, free download. And then you can see the download will pop up right now. You can just download it and then use it in your videos. So the other one on our list is called Pixabay. So Pixabay has been around for quite a long time as well, and it also gives you free copyright-free materials. Like you don't even require license to use their materials either, just as that of a Pezos. No copyright is even required for you. You don't have to give attributes to the original source or anything. You can see the cool graphics that you can use for your, probably a graphic designer trying to play around some artwork or doing some tutorials. You can come over here, get the images, or your client gave you a work you don't have. You can come over here and get the images, and you can even use some of them for your YouTube videos as well. So over here as well, if you want to search any sort of image, all you simply have to do is come over here. From all images, you can choose to You can see, you can come over to photos, illustrations, vector files. You can come over to music, videos, music, sound effects, and you can simply come over and then download anything at all you want for 100% free without paying. That's simply how this platform works. And the benefit of here is that you don't have to put sound effect if it's not necessary. So you can simply come over and then download your sound effect and then use in your videos. So now let's go to the other 3 websites that focuses more on giving you free music and sound effect. Personally, for me, I don't recommend the sound effect from Pixabay because I personally haven't used the sound effect coming from this platform before. Like personally, I haven't used it before, but I've used from the other website. That's why I recommend more of the other website that give sound effect rather than Pixabay, Pezos, and Videvo. So the main things I recommend Pixabay, Pezos, and Videvo for is for their videos and images. So hello guys, the first website on our list when it comes to getting copyrighted free music is actually the YouTube audio library. So the YouTube audio library is simply where you can go and then get copyrighted free audio, which is soundtracks for your YouTube videos. Like you can see, there are a lot of sound here you can actually get. And one of the things here that I actually love about YouTube is that they made it simple for you to actually filter out based on license type and then which type of audio you want. So for example, you come over to YouTube and then you just needed a sound effect. You will come over to the sound effect section and you can see there are so many sound effects here that you can actually use for 100% free. Before I show you how to download, here's one thing I want you to actually see. So for example, I come over to the music tab and then you want to use any music over here. Come over here first and then come over to attribution not required. So in case you want to use a soundtrack and then you don't want to give attribute to the original source, make sure you put this filter here which says attribution not required. This one you can use any song at all for 100% free without giving attribute to the original source. So for example, you need this one here called no indication. It's a perfectly and cool soundtrack that you can use for YouTube videos. Mostly if you are a traveled YouTuber who do videos about travel, this will be cool for you. And then you can come over here and then search by artist name, mood, genre, track title if you know it already. You can search for duration depending on how long your videos are. If your videos are as long as mine, then you have to go for very long words, or you can simply take the already existing short ones here that matches what you want, and then you get to cut and gen to make it extensive and then get to the point you actually want. So that's simply the first one on over here. And if you want to download any video, as you can see, just hover around it and then you can hit on this download button and then you download it for 100% free. So that is the first website on our list for getting copyrighted free music for your videos. But this is not all the other great websites where you can get even better soundtracks and the rest. And even those websites, they give you licenses for 100% free. So now let's go to the first one on our list. The second one on our list is called Upbeat. So Upbeat is one website where you get free music and videos. Like when it comes to getting free soundtrack, Upbeat is one of my favorites because it has been around for quite a long time and was made by creators, and so you can see free music for creators, no copyright claim, your favorite beat makers. So you can see all of them here. You can see there are so many soundtracks you can actually use. So here's the thing with this particular platform. If you're on the free version, there are some terms and conditions you have to check out for. So let me show those to you, because in my videos I like making it as transparent as possible so that no one comes back to complain. So you can see that they have paid plan. You can see with their free plan you get 3 downloads every month. So meaning with their free plan you can only download 3 items every month. You can see get started for free with incredible music, sound effects, and no copyright issues. So you only have access to 3 for a month. And then if you are going for the premium plan, which costs you around $66.99 yearly, so if you are paying yearly, then your plan is actually $5.59, which is monthly plan. But if you want to buy just based on a monthly plan, like you want to buy month in month out, then you have to pay, let me just say, $7 for it, which is also not much, because the soundtrack, once you have it once, you have the license and you can keep using it. You can see whitelist up to 3 YouTube channels, so you can even add all your 3 YouTube channels and then you can start using it. So one thing about here is that you connect your YouTube channel to Upbeat so that they give you access to everything for free. In that way, even YouTube will know that you are getting your beat from here, so the copyright will automatically be placed by YouTube itself. So that's simply the second on our list for getting your soundtrack. You can simply come over here for sound effects, playlist generator. You can set your own preference and then a playlist get generated for you, depending on the type of creator you are. So now let's go to the final one on my list called Bensound. So Bensound itself is actually a platform from a French artist. Yeah, I believe, yeah, it's a French artist who actually owns the platform, and it makes its music like the soundtracks over the 100% for you to free. However, the drawback with Bensound is that they have less library as compared to that of Upbeat. So if you are looking for where you get unlimited royalty-free music, then Upbeat will be the best. However, you shouldn't underrate Bensound as well, as it also gives music for 100% free. You can see serving the world's top brand Microsoft, and there are a lot of places, companies actually getting soundtracks from here for their ads and other stuff related. You can see there are so many music here that you can easily come and download as well. So for them, they also have a free and paid plan. The thing is that the free plan allows you to get few, while the paid plan allows you to get as much as possible. So you can see for their premium plan here, unlimited downloads, build $119 yearly. This if you want to go for their premium plans. But if you are interested in their premium plans, you can also use your free plan and they get as many as they offer you every month and they use for your video. So hope you find this whole video interesting. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So with that already said, have a nice day. Bye.